go. Yeah. So straight across, Jen, do you see? Do you see the embankment on the other side? You want me to go?
We were going, but we had to stop, and then we thought.
I don't see it.
There's a channel on the other side. You'll see it. Just follow them. It's not hard. See, Jen, straight across?
Oh, yeah, I see, I see.
And it's really lovely water.
Huh?
Let her think when you get to the
Yes, yes, yes.
So give her head.
Let it loose?
Yep.
Yep.
And just ask her to go forward.
Yep.
And I'll kind of help push you forward.
Come on. Hey, break it now.
Oh. And then, Jenny, do you see right over there is where we cross? But see, Jen, see where down to our right where it feeds the Pemmy? Yeah. Oh, here we go. It gets a little deep, but not like super deep. You know what I mean? And then there's this guy. Oh.
Ooh, this is tasty water. Better than Poland Spring.
Yes.
I can't wait to get into my shorts and friggin' take a dip in the river. We're almost there. Rome's already starting.
I'm sorry, yeah.
We're coming next to you. You might get wet. I'm sorry. Oh, yep, you're gonna get wet. I'm sorry. Oh, don't get near me. Don't get near me. No, 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 no! I hate that. All right, you ready to finish this so we can go on tack and then we all get to cool off?
Yes.
Let's do it. Go ahead.